Eto mga boss, salpukang Reggie Suganob ng PMI Bohol Stable kontra sa Japanese na si Kai Ishizawa. Bagamat hindi naging madali makuha ang panalo at madepensahan ng ating pambato ang kanyang WBO Global Light Flyweight dahil na rin sa sobrang agresibo nitong Japanese. Pero pagdating nga po sa 8 rounds mga boss ay 2 beses bumagsak itong Japanese. Ito ang kanilang highlights sa round 6, 7 and 8. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin mga boss.
Forming there. So it looks like they put a lot of petroleum jelly now on the face of Suganov as we enter the 6th round. Once again, Noel Zarate pa rin po nag-atin sa inyo na aksyon mula po rito sa Holy Name University Gym in Tagbilaran City, Bohol. This is for the WBO Global Light Flyweight Championship po. Kampiyon dito si Suganov of the Philippines, absorbing a right hook that time from his Japanese opponent. Ishizawa trying to be a counter puncher. We knew he was the aggressor to start that uppercut on moving forward. Wala namang counter na ginagawa pa so far. Ito si Suganov to take that away, and that is a display to the judges about ring generalship. Neutral corner time here, and it looks like the doctor will be brought in for the first time by referee Danrex Tapdasan para silipin po yung sugat. Dito si Laos native Reggie, the Filipino phenom Suganov. So it is not on the eye, it's over the bridge of the nose. Itong sugat niya. Time in, sabi ni Attorney Tapdasan. And we are back to bring you the rest of round number 6. Suddenly, bumuhos na naman si Suganov. Not very accurate on the punches, but still enough to get the crowd into it. Body exchange. About a minute remaining here in the 6th. Nitong si Suganov as we now enter the 7th round. Still very much the same, but now napapabilis na yung pagsugod dito. Nitong si Kai Ishizawa of Japan in the pink trunks. A little bit of wrestling there between the two. One of our strictest referees, Danrex Tapdasan, instructs them on what not to do in a tie-up like that. You can see that Suganov's power is sort of taking a breather at the moment. The wound is not a factor anymore. If you're just joining us, meron pong sugat na natamo. Etong si Reggie Suganov, as early as the first round, tuktok pa lamang po the first round, pero talagang naging lahuan na nung 5th round. Where the doctor had to be brought in to check it out. Fight still continues, and looks like the wound has been quelled for the moment. Ishizawa once again pounding inside Reggie, the Filipino phenom Suganov. And again, we go back to some of the action in round number 7. The rhythm as they now enter the 8th. Well, darating pa rin po nag-atin na aksyon. Unofficially, we have Suganov ahead, but only by 1 round. The last 3 unofficially have gone the way of Ishizawa. Ishizawa now body hunting. Di na muna niya pakikialaman yung sugat sa ulo nitong si Suganov, which has opened up again. Not quite sure if it came from an accidental headbutt. Some power shots to the body as well from Suganov. He's trying to destroy the timing of Ishizawa. And it looks like here in the 8th round, Suganov has been successful so far. Nawala sa timing ng bahagya. Ito si Ishizawa. Again, Suganov needs to use his length. He's got about a 3 or 4 inch reach advantage. He has has a 4-inch height advantage over his opponent. And again, itong si Ishizawa is just trying to make inroads in the junior flyweight division after campaigning most of his career as a minimum weight. Both fighters came in at 107.2 pounds. That's a lot more muscle though for Ishizawa. Oh! Ishizawa got staggered there by the left hook coming from Suganov. And another one! Ishizawa is down! Ready to fight now siya. The blood is coming out of Suganov's head. And Ishizawa smells the blood, wants to get it back. Oh, great right coming from Ishizawa. Napatras to si Suganov. Ishizawa missing. Less than a minute remaining here in this pivotal 8th round. One knockdown scored already, so this is a 10-8 round for Suganov. The question is, can Ishizawa get the knockdown back? That right hand earlier sent Suganov backwards. Nakabawi na ba? Three-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head. And throwing in the towel. The sound of Ishizawa. It's over. The corner of Kai Ishizawa threw in the towel.
Dahil nga po sa napaka-impresibong panalo ng ating pambato na si Reggie Suganov, umaarangkada na ngayon ang kanyang record sa 15 wins, 5 KOs at may isang talo. Lumagapak naman ang kartada ni Kai Ishizawa sa 11 wins, may 4 na talo. Mukhang diretso nga po ito sa hospital. Pero ganun talaga mga boss ang buhay ng isang boksingero. Ipinakita niya ang kanyang tapang at dumayo pa dito sa bansang Pinas. Yan lamang mga boss, maraming salamat po.